The countdown is on for the announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's next full-size foldable. We are excited to see if Samsung is able to climb back to the top of the best foldable phones list now that its rivals are producing awesome folding phones of their own. The new Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to feature a wider yet thinner design as well as a new Iron Flex display panel that should be more durable. You can also expect the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which should bring better performance and longer battery life, and all the same Galaxy AI features on the Galaxy S24 series, plus hopefully some new ones. Here is all the Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumors so far. Last April, before Z Fold 5 was even official, the leaker Revegnus claimed that there would be a major form factor change starting with Z Fold 6. Now, renders created by XLeaks7 for Picto reveal what that might mean in practice. Essentially, the Z Fold 6 looks set to get a far thinner design than its predecessor while embracing a wider aspect ratio on its cover screen. While Samsung is clearly working on patents to have a dockable S Pen like that found on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, renders of the phone don't show it, so that may have to wait for a future generation. However, one thing, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 may also have titanium sides and angular corners in common with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This would make the new Z Fold look more premium, as well as increased durability thanks to swiping out the aluminum used in previous Z Folds. But it could mean that Galaxy Z Fold 6 costs more as a result. Overall though, the design looks mostly similar to previous Galaxy Z Fold models, unlike the rumored triple folding phone that Samsung may also release this year. A recent leak has given us several high-definition renders as well as a 360-degree video of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It appears that it will be smaller than the prior Galaxy Z Fold 5 but will have a wider screen overall. There is also a leaked promotional image with it alongside the Z Flip 6, showing it off in their half-folded positions. Otherwise, it appears that the next generation of the Galaxy Z Fold will look very similar to Samsung's other products. For colors, we could see light pink, dark blue and silver as the three main options for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. These sound quite a bit more fun than previous Z Folds, which have tended to have more subtle colors to choose from. A recent post from Ice Universe has revealed the apparent weight and size of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The phone should have an unfolded thickness of 5.6mm and a folded thickness of 12.1mm. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 was 6.1mm and 13.4mm in its unfolded and folded state, which means we are getting a slimmer phone this year.